In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a clean, customized type form from scratch. By the end, you'll know how to start a new form, add the right question types with simple logic, organize your flow, and style the design so it looks polished and on-brand. First, let's start a new form. Log into your Typeform account and click Create a New Form. You can choose Start from Scratch if you want full control over every element, or pick a template if you'd like a head start with a pre-designed structure. Templates are great when you're short on time or need inspiration. Starting from scratch is perfect when you already have a clear plan. Choose the option that best fits your goal for the form. Now let's add and customize your questions. Click the Add Content button or use the question menu that appears to insert your first question. From the menu, pick a question type that matches the kind of response you need. Short text is ideal for brief, open-ended answers. Multiple choice helps people pick from defined options, which makes results easier to analyze. Opinion scale is excellent for ratings, like gauging satisfaction from 1 to 10. Type your prompt into the Your Question Here field and keep your wording specific and easy to understand. Repeat this process to add as many questions as you need. As you build, think about the journey your respondent takes. Group related questions together and keep a natural flow from broad to specific. If you want different paths based on answers, use logic jumps. For example, you can send someone who selects a particular option to a follow-up that's only relevant to them. Keep logic simple and purposeful so people don't get lost. Next, let's design and organize. In the left panel, drag and drop questions to arrange the order. Start with a friendly, low-effort question to warm people up, and save more detailed items for later. Shorter, clearer forms generally get better completion rates, so prioritize what matters most. Open the Design tab to customize the appearance. Choose colors and fonts that match your brand or the tone of your project. Aim for strong contrast for readability. Use consistent font choices, and pick an accent color for buttons to make calls to action stand out. A cohesive visual style makes your form feel trustworthy and professional. That's it. You've started a fresh type form, added smart questions with logic, organized a smooth flow, and designed a look that supports your goals. Now you're ready to build engaging forms your audience will actually complete.